Yeah, man. Hello guys, it's me Levi Pro once again. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Today I'm gonna show you some important skills for piano 7, bass and solo with the key of F sharp transposed to -7. Yeah, I'm gonna play then show you how to do it. So yeah. Then sustain this. Then so that's it. So for the bass line, so you gotta do the kick, then so thank you. If you need more, inbox me via WhatsApp. You get the full course at an affordable price and beats everything you need. God bless you. Take care. Yep.